Namo Tassa Bhagavate Sammasambuddhassa Namo Tassa Bhagavate Sammasambuddhassa Namo Tassa Bhagavate Sammasambuddhassa Mecharaja Jariya Punabhatyadam Mecharaja Mahase One Surya Sandavene Se Udaga Piyata Tadapakaga Pujam Kejaja Gandana Gulanda Sinaga Vekayam Divarate Manchikupa Isidiya Ewa Chile Sarada Samyabhi Bindido Kena Duko Ubai Nanyabindo Kavamoje Vijay Dvatamata Setya Dasavasaya Setya Dadorvamojen Senya Dita Dekaya Adosare Dwa Sakanda Mabanda Vijaya Akam Setya Jariya Nyoke Dua Sasana Yato Sami Akana Yato Bado Sami Vijuda Navi Jana Senteja Ekapana Vihisida Etena Satya Vajena Vajuno Avivasadu Avitanaya Vajuna Nine Kakasana Sayan Kaka Soka Yarande Michi Soka Pamojaya Sahagati Sitya Vajuna Havigandiya Nalandeja Burindo Havina Havivosada Eva Rupa Sitya Vangaduma Viriya Buddhaman Osa Vesima Veda Sitya Deja Valasito Sechena Me Samonanti Esa Me Sitya Vamiti Micharaja Chariya Nididam Sadhu Sadhu Indonesia together sama-sama start with mic. Okay, use the mic. Indonesia, yeah, together Indonesia. Tidak besar, anggota dalam pemilih dibahas kemudian turun dan turun asal tujuan yang dulu itu yang kita bisa mampu berpikir demikian. Sekarang yang saya berbicara mengenai itu dari perbincangan setelah mengenai mampu kita kita dua dalam untuk menyediakan nampak kesalahan dirinya dalam sejarah tentang baik itu dua beberapa sepuluh bahasa Indonesia boleh menjawab aku memiliki dan apa aku tidak bukan satu kalau tidak pun dan dalam ini yang kedua yes dan juga punya jadi yang paling akan juga hal menguasai itu bukan cuma bikin nama turun kan minum berharapkan tidak ada itu dan dengan perlahan lahan dengan hal yang buat penting panggungan dan pada itu ia memerlukan ujian menguasai data ini dan menerapkan energi yang baik untuk merealisasikan kebenaran yang jadi yang aku membuat ujian aku tidak ada yang utama yang berubah. Semoga hujan datang di sini. So our Bodhisattva made the Sitya Parami in the past life. In this Sitya Parami, the truth. Jadi adalah kesempurnaan dan kebenaran yang diujarkan oleh Bodhisattva tentu membangunnya seorang Buddha. So Buddha, why, display this past life, as a commentary display, Jadi kenapa Sang Buddha menceritakan mengenai dunia ini? Jadi dijelaskan di kitab akan datang. So one day our Buddha staying in the Jetavana monastery in the Savatthi. Jadi suatu hari Sang Buddha sedang tinggal di Jetavana. At that time, the country, Kosala country, the whole country are no raining. At the time, many people are difficult for the agriculture work and also to use the water. So very difficult at the time. Jadi itu di negara Kosala. Tapi itu sedang dilanda musim kekeringan, tidak ada hujan sama sekali. Yang mereka mendapatkan air untuk kebutuhan sehari-hari itu begitu sulitnya. Because people need the water to be survive every day. Every day we are using the water, right? Without water, even using toilet also difficult. So we need the water, right? Jadi bagi kita tahu ya, itu dia untuk bulan sehari. Jadi tanpa air dan sampai dan tidak bisa untuk hidup saya sulit. It is true, right? Selling rule, no water other than selling where we complain, right? So because we need the water. Water also not easy to get nowadays. Tergantung ya. Di masa-masa tertentu, air itu memang sangat sulit didapatkan. So according to the research, in our planet, water is 70%, land is 30% only. Water is more. 70% is water, 30% only land. A lot of water, but ocean water is more. Salty water we cannot do it. Ya, jadi hasil penelitian ya mengungkapkan kalau satu bumi ini yang 70% itu sebenarnya terdiri dari air. Jadi air lebih banyak, sedangkan kami itu memiliki 30%. Tapi dari 20% ini hanya sebagian besar itu adalah air samudera, air asin yang tidak bisa dipakai. You can see ocean water is 97%. Only 3% only the fresh water. Dari semua air, 97% itu adalah air asin. Hanya 3% itu air yang tawar.
So ocean water is a salty, we cannot use, we cannot drink, right? So 3% only fresh water in the world. Among the 3% also, no, ice is a 79%. No, groundwater is a 30%. So surface water only 1% only.
Jadi bahkan di antara 3% air tawar ini, 79%-nya, kemudian sebagian besarnya itu adalah berupa yang abadi dengan tadi air yang di bawah tanah itu hanya 20%-nya. Sedangkan hanya 1% itu air yang di permukaan.
So surface water is 1% only. Therefore, we not enough in the surface. Surface water meaning is in the water in the lake, water in the river, and water in other places. No, so surface water only 1% only, not enough. Therefore, we are trying to get the groundwater. No, on the underground water, we are trying to get.
Ya, dari air yang diperlukan 1% yang ini, ya, dan itu 50%. Sedangkan sungai hanya 1% yang lebih. Sisanya itu air genangan. Nah, namun karena 1% ini tidak cukup ya untuk memenuhi semua kebutuhan air, ini maksudnya permukaan 1%-nya itu yang di tengah. Karena itulah kita di sini banyak ekspor yang kita ambil air dari dalam tanah untuk mencukupi kebutuhan water.
So now the population are increased. Water is not enough nowadays.
Dan juga jumlah orang yang sebenarnya populasinya, karena itulah air itu sangat sulit ya, semakin sulit memenuhi semua kebutuhan orang.
So in the ancient time, they had no technology to get the groundwater under the earth. They were more difficult. They are depend on the rain. No rain at the time, more difficult for the water.
Ya, jadi di zaman dahulu ya, tidak ada teknologi seperti kita sekarang yang bisa dengan mudah untuk mengambil air dari dalam tanah. Nah, mereka sangat bergantung sekali dengan hujan. Jadi tanpa hujan, orang-orang itu kesulitan untuk mendapatkan air.
So that the Buddha did explain this Mecharajacharya. Now that day, no raining. Jetavana monastery also. At that time, many people are suffering. At that time, Buddha thinking, I want to save the people. No, so Buddha decide make to request, make to rain coming. No, semoga hujan datang. Buddha push. No?
Jadi itu juga yang terjadi pada saat itu di negara di negara tersebut. Ini kan tidak ada hujan ya, sehingga mereka dilanda bencana kekeringan. Karena itulah samudra kemudian dia ingin membuat hujan itu benar dingin ya, supaya turun hujan.
So why in the Jetavana monastery also there are one pond. Jetavana Dwara Kothasa Samipe. Jetavana Pakaraniya Vipudaka Chiti. No? In the Jetavana monastery, yeah. So in the Jetavana monastery, the eastern the gate, there are one pond. The water in the pond also dry at the time. No?
Jadi di gerbang mana itu tidak ada pola lestarian dan bahkan pola lestari itu pun karena itu pun polanya sudah begitu.
Only the mud only in the pond, no water. Yeah.
Jadi hanya tinggal cedera saja gitu. Tidak ada yang terus.
At the time, many fish and ikan and gula-gula, they are suffering a lot. Fish and tortoise, no? No Paknabalu, no? In the Jetavana monastery. Even the Buddha monastery also happen like that.
Jadi itu bukan orang lain.
So mainly the crow and the eagle hawk also coming and they take the fish and they eat at the time.
Jadi karena pemberitaan itu ya ikan itu gampang sekali itu ditangkap. Kebetulan para orang yang ikan itu gampang sekali berdatangan memakan ikan.
Yeah, the crow are very happy. They had a lot of food at the time.
Dan juga ada cerdas. Mereka banyak sekali makanan tinggal diambil.
Sata Mecha Kachabana Tabayan, this was having seen the danger of the fish and tortoise. He had the Mahakaruna, he had the rise and great compassion, no Mahakaruna. No? At that time, he wished today, India, no, I shall make Ray coming, like, no, he wished.
Lalu pikiran sanggup dan muncullah pikiran Mahakaruna yang adalah belas kasih yang luar biasa besar dan dia menginginkan agar turun hujan di sana.
So at the time, Papataya Latiya. So this early morning, no, together with the bhikkhu, many bhikkhu, he go into the village and Pitapada fast. So after Pitapada, after that, he come back to Jetavana monastery. No, Jetavana monastery, no, and he, no, pushed near the pond, near the pond or the Jetavana pond inside the monastery. He pushed to bathe, to shower after Pitapada. After eating Pitapada fast, after that, have lunch and come back to the monastery, and he tried to bathe, to shower.
Well, there's water.
The water, never mind.
Jadi kayak orang-orangnya sang Buddha yang orang itu pergi ke desa untuk melakukan tidak makan. Kemudian kita makan dan baru ke yang pertama dan ke samping orang itu mau mandi.
So he is standing Sopana. Sopana is staircase. No, staircase or the pond. Normally the pond is a very deep, right? There is a staircase, have to go down using the staircase. Now this is Indian tradition. Now Sri Lanka also like that. Sri Lanka, many monasteries also like that. Inside the monastery, the pond are very deep. Have to go down using the staircase. Like that, right? So in the same way, Jetavana monastery, inside the pond also many staircases have to go down. So Buddha standing there in the staircase and asking to Ananda, Ananda, Trina Amandesi Ananda, Buddha Satika Ahara. Ananda, please bring the mind shower room, my bathing room. And then Ananda say, one day no water in the pond. Ananda replied by that.
Jadi hujan itu jadi ya ada di Seremanda sudah sama itu kolamnya itu dalam sekali ya. Jadi kolamnya itu di pinggiran itu ada tangga yang di dalam yang menyusuri ke pinggir sampai ke dalamnya itu di sana demikian ya. Dan saat itu sang Buddha berjalan menutupi tangganya dan bertanya kepada Ananda, Ananda ambilkan jubah nangis saya. Lalu Ananda berkata, Bante tidak ada air, bagaimana mandi?
Yeah, I want to shower, I want to bathe. Please bring the shower room, my bathing room. At the time, Jetavana, Pakhaniya, Udaka, Chaina, dry, no water abundant in the pond. No? Only muddy only. No? Ananda, Buddha Balan, Lama Mahata, Buddha said to the Ananda, Ananda, Buddha Balan, Buddha power means very powerful. No? Do not worry. You bring there, my bathing room.
Jadi kan sang Buddha yang meminta Ananda bagian Anda untuk mengambil jubah nantinya, lalu juga kita ada air nanti. Lalu sang Buddha jangan khawatir ya, kekuatan sang Buddha yang mudah malah itu adalah sangat kuat sekali. Jadi jangan khawatir bawalah jubah saya.
Thero Ahari to Adasi. Another Thero bring the Buddha shower room, bathing room, and give to the Buddha. At the time, the Buddha wearing the robe, and now he's standing on the stairs or the bond. At the time, the Canadian was Sakasa, Pandu Kabbalah, Sila, Sana, Ona Karan, Dasesi. At the time, his chair is a hot. Now also hot maybe. Because the Buddha power, his chair very big. The stone chair, hot, heated. At the time, insect reflect. Why my stone chair is heated? At the time, he saw, oh, Buddha want to shower for no water.
Lalu seperti dari lalu dia sempat dibawakan jebakan ini oleh Ganda, lalu sudah memakai jebakan ini dan dia berdiri di tangga dari kolam tersebut ya di udara ini. Lalu saat itu dewa Saka ya itu dewa jika itu dalam kepala jikanya.
Insect
bisa.
Ya.
Kalau misalnya aja, nah itu kursinya itu terbuat dari batu ya, kursinya itu pun panas. Ya, dia berpikir kenapa itu panas? Karena dia tahu semudah dengan itu.
And then the insect knowing the reason why my stone chair is heated, so he quickly called to the Vasavalaka Deva Rajana. Vasavalaka Deva Rajana is a rain cloud Deva. He called the rain cloud Deva. Send a message, quickly come in. Buddha want to shower, so you should do the rain quickly now.
Lalu karena kursi yang jadi panas dan dia malu kalau dia cepat memanggil dewa hujan dan dewa awan ya. Cepat kemari begitu. Dan awan kemari cepat membuat hujan.
At the time, this deva admitted, yes, insect. He also wearing the Eka Walahanka, this Nivasitwa. He also had to wearing this red cloak. This also wonderful. They also had to wearing this Walahaka cloak. One cloak have to wearing the lower row and upper row also wearing two cloak. After that, Mega Gitan, rain song also singing, Gayanto, singing the rain song. They were singing the song, the rain song. I don't know how to sing. He go to the eastern side, eastern direction. After that, he made the cloudy. He go the eastern direction. And he made the rain cloud. After that, he poured the rain to the ground like that.
Jadi kemudian dewa hujan itu bersiap-siap kan. Jadi dewa pun harus memakai namanya jubah hujan, jubah awan dipakai. Jadi setelah memakai itu, dewanya pun harus menyanyikan nyanyian untuk penurunan hujan. Ya. Jadi dia pergi ke bagian timurnya dari Ketawana, dan kemudian dia pun membuat awan dan itu adalah awan hujan. Dan kemudian dia pun menuangkan air hujan turun dari.
So this raining is a heavy rain. Vijulata is with the thunder, together with the sound like that. Heavy rain, thunder.
Dan ini pun adalah hujan yang sangat besar sekali, sampai dengan petir-petir.
So Sakala Kosala Ratan, the whole country of Kosala, Kosala, the whole country is raining at the time. No? Maha Ogena Viya. No? So full of water. No? Full of water in the pond also. So heavy rain coming. No?
Jadi saat itu hujan besar itu jatuh di seluruh negara besar yang tadi kekeringan. Sekarang tiba-tiba hujan besar dan setelah suatu waktu kolam yang oleh tempat sambutan tubuh itu pun akhirnya terisi oleh air.
Muhodena Jetawana Pakrana Purisi. No? Quickly full the pond or the Jetawana pond. Dura Sopana Ahija Pudakan Atasi. No? Touching to the staircase. No? So Buddha don't need to go down. No? Because full of the pond. Water is a full of the pond.
Jadi air di kolam itu sangat cepat sekali akhirnya sudah menjadi penuh, ya, bahkan sudah menyentuh tangga di mana samudra. Jadi samudra tidak perlu turun tangga lagi, dia sudah langsung habis.
So Sattha Vakaraniya Nayitwa Buddha also breathing shower. No? After that, no, wearing the robe and go back to the kuti and up.
Dan setelah itu samudra mandi dan akhirnya dia setelah itu pulang ke kutinya.
So in the Ganakuti, Buddha gave the order to the Bhikkhu Sangha, and Buddha also rest inside the Ganakuti. Rest. His spirit had rest inside the Ganakuti.
Dan setelah itu samudra beristirahat di kutinya.
So Buddha also rest, no? And after lunch like that. No, that na pasena, sihasena, no, capitoa, sayana, samaye. No, Buddha also rest afternoon. No, therefore yogi also shall rest before meditation.
Jadi saya ada bilang, samudra saja itu setelah makan siang pun beristirahat. Jadi yang berikutnya juga kalau capek, ya mungkin bisa ada istirahat juga, ya seperti samudra juga setelah makan istirahat.
The Buddha rests the right side only. No, Buddha rests the right side, and also has a daytime. I will wake up part time like that. No, daytime. No, I will rest how many minutes. No, like the Buddha has a determination. No, I will wake up. No, I will wake up. So before laying down, Buddha always had that wish. I will wake up. Only the Prinivana day only. I will not wake up. No, Prinivana day Buddha not do such kind of wish because he will Prinivana. Prinivana day only he made. No, every time he made to wake up always.
Jadi samudra itu kalau beristirahat itu selalu berada di sekitar kanannya, dia tidak pernah berbalik. Dia selalu hanya berada di kanannya saja. Dan juga sebelum samudra, setiap kali sebelum samudra beristirahat, dia selalu memiliki melakukan kata-kata yang melakukan mereka, dia mau beristirahat beberapa menit dan kemudian dia akan bangun. Dan itu setiap kali dia beristirahat selalu membuat hal demikian, kecuali rasa hari terakhir yang samudra ketika di mana dia tidak ada membuat hal demikian.
So Buddha Gandakuti is a Surabhi Gandakuti, no, very fragrant kuti, Buddha Kuti, no, fragrant kuti, no, fragrant, no. So Sihasayamini is a Buddha's resting is like the lion resting like that. Say that lion also like that, rest like that, to the right side. Right? You also do like that, like the lion, no.
Jadi putihnya samudra yang disebut dengan bilik warnanya, karena warna samudra itu selalu warna biru. Saya akan Tapi dan juga bangsa muda sedang beristirahat sebentar atau dia tidur, itu selalu dia berbaring di sisi kanan.
So after resting in the evening time, sayana sami evening time, Dhamma Sabaya. Dhamma Sabha, every Indonesian know that Sabha. Sabha meaning is a meeting place. No, Sabha is a meeting place. In the monastery also have a gathering place. Gathering place called the Dhamma Sabha. No, Sabha. No, Dhamma Sabha meaning is a bhikkhu gathering place. Buddha also give Dhamma talk there. This called Dhamma Sabha. Dhamma Sala like that. Huh? At the time many bhikkhu are talking. Oh, Buddha power very wonderful. No, even though no water, Buddha want to bathe at the river coming like that. They are talking. Buddha not coming. And then Buddha came to the Dhammasala, and then Buddha asking, which kind of topic you are talking now? And then they display, oh, this morning we saw Buddha power like that. Huh? We come in suddenly.
Jadi kemudian pada malam hari biasanya itu berkumpul di Dhammasala, hall sampai dalam ruangan biasanya. Dan sebelum sampai datang, orang itu semua sedang berbicara mengenai penempatan dari orang sang Buddha, yang dimana tidak ada air untuk sang Buddha menemani, bisa berbicara sampai ruangan dari sebelumnya. Kemudian sang Buddha datang, dan sang Buddha biasanya selalu bertanya, karena sedang membicarakan topik apa. Dan sedang kalangan seperti yang lalu, semuanya berkata, oh, kami sedang membicarakan tentang teologi Buddha, di mana pagi itu Buddha begitu besar karena umat sang Buddha.
And then Buddha said, Na bhikkhave tathagato idaneva mahajane ilamante deva osapeti pube trichana yoniya lipatitva micha raja kale osa Pesi yewati wadawa atita ahari. No? So Buddha said, not only now, but also in the past. In the past also, even I are animal as a fish. At that time also, I make recoming for the welfare of the people. So after that, Buddha recall the past story. It's called the past background story of this Michalajara background story.
Lalu sambil bukan hanya sekarang saja, tetapi di masa lampau ketika sang Buddha itu akan berusaha, dia adalah seekor ikan, dia juga membuat ujian turun ya demi bangsa dari lingkungan kampung. Ini adalah latar belakang ceritanya.
Buddha started the past story. No? At the day when is in the past. Ima Sameye wa Kosala Rate. In this Kosala country, Ime Sasawatiya, in this Sawati city, Ima Sameye wa Jitavana Patrate. In this form place. In this Jitavana monastery complex, there also one the lake. No, long time ago. No, this is also wonderful. Buddha already stayed there in the Jitavana monastery as a fish. No? Eka Waligana Pariketa Kandara Hosi. Kandara Muni is a natural form. In this place, the same place of Jitavana monastery. At that time, no Jitavana monastery yet. But there also one the natural pond there. Now, in this pond, Bodhisattva stay together with the many fish. Like that, this meaning.
Jadi di masa lampau di negara Kosala, di kota Sawati, dan di kolam ini juga yang para sang Buddha berdiri di tangga tadi. Nah, ini dulunya adalah sebuah danau ya, sebuah danau besar dan besar alami, ini adalah alami, di mana Bodhisattva adalah seekor ikan yang tinggal di kolam tersebut, danau tersebut.
Wonderful, no? What? We also may be the same day again and again reborn maybe. Wonderful.
Jadi dari kita mengambil masalah orang dan sang Buddha sudah bisa mengetahui sebagai sebuah ikan. Dan kita tidak mungkin bisa seperti itu juga. Kita ada lagi dan lagi di tempat yang sama.
Therefore, in the Buddha time, one the Brahmana, one Brahmin, he find one place for his cemetery. No, he go to the mountain. Between the two mountains, nobody go there. At that time, all this place are very clean. No, maybe if I die, my body under the ground is better. Like. At that time, Buddha also coming. Oh, Brahman, what are you are thinking? Oh, Bande, I are finding the good place, the clean place. Nobody's bureau under the ground. When I die, my body shall be under the ground like that. And then the Buddha say, "Oh, Brahmin, you are thinking wrong. No, the same day you already 500 like already in the ground, the same place, the same place, the same day. No, you are dead body already under the ground, 500 like. No, so therefore, this Brahmin reborn again in this feeling."
Jadi dia di mana ada seorang teman yang mungkin itu dia begitu bingung ya mau cari tempat nanti ketika ini jatuh mau menggunakan ini yang bagus kalau bisa yang mudah dia mau menggunakan sini lalu dengan sang Buddha itu sebagian itu berani apa yang sedang memikirkan dia cerita bahwa ini adalah tempat khusus untuk nanti kalau saya muda saya mau itu berusaha kalau bersih ya anaknya bagus ya itu Mas Buddha bilang kamu berpikir salah ya dan kamu sebenarnya dikuburkan sini itu sudah 500 kali bukan 8.
The meaning is that that time. In that time, Bodhisattva, Miksha Yoni and Nipatitwa, Buddha reborn in the fish family. And Miksha cannot Buddha followed by many the fish. They stay there in that form. No? They stay there in that form. No? Yatha Pana Idani, like now, Buddha said. I also, with many disciples, I also stayed in the Jetavana monastery. In the same way, Bodhisattva fish also stayed together with the many followers in the same place. Right? No? This all follower also became the Buddha disciple. So fish time, many all followers also became the nowadays all Buddha followers. They are so wonderful, right? Always they are moving one group like that. Yeah, one light to one light. No fish light to the people like that. They are move together. No, move together. They are so wonderful. No.
Jadi di depan contohnya Bodhisattva ya lahir dari keluarga ikan dan juga ikan itu akhirnya Bodhisattva itu banyak memiliki lingkungannya banyak dan seperti sekarang juga kata Sang Buddha di kehidupan ini sekarang ikan-ikan yang mengikuti Sang Buddha pada zaman Bodhisattva itu juga menjadi pengikutnya Sang Buddha di kehidupan yang Sang Buddha terakhir ini. Dan jadi demikian pula ya kehidupan lainnya banyak yang saling mengikuti ya seperti pengikutnya Sang Buddha selalu mengikuti Bodhisattva sampai akhirnya Bodhisattva menjadi seorang Buddha.
You all are how many like in Pekanbaru?
Ini tidak berapa kejutan.
This life also want to be born again? Okay, Eva Mewa Dadabi Tastamira Te Devo Nawasi. In the same way, that on that time, in that country, no raining. Devo Nawasi. Devo is a rain, Nawasi, not coming. Manusana Sasani village to Sasani meaning is a corn, grey, group harvest. They all are dying. No, they are all dying. No, so at that time, people had no food, suffering a lot. Huh?
This is the story of when the Buddha came.
No, in the past now.
Also in the past.
Yeah. Now, yeah, his story now. At the day, they are past story now.
Jadi jangka ini untuk sebenarnya ini juga terjadi hal sama. Bencana kekeringan tidak ada hujan sama sekali, ya. Jambu dan biji-bijian itu semua tanah menjadi kering.
But luckily, the Horinada no so much problem. Only fire only coming. Not so much problem. Food are a lot right here. Okay. Fire also not reach to the monastery, right? So can see only fire. No problem, right? So now already overcome like this problem now.
Dan juga tapinya tidak semua.
So pond water also drying. Mixture kachapa. Fish tortoise also suffering a lot. No, they are hiding there under the mud. No, because they are afraid. Because crow coming, eagle coming, they are very afraid to die. So they are hiding under the mud. No?
Karena kolamnya di dalamnya kering, maka ikan dan kura-kura pun menderita. Dan mereka pun takut karena kalau mencoba mereka mungkin akan sama oleh burung gagak atau burung elang. Karena itu mereka bersembunyi di bawah burung.
But the eagle, some crow, some the crane, they have very long snout. No, you know, they are snout. Their mouth very long. So they searching the fish under the mud, and they take out and they eat. Kata dia tu dia nak pote tua. Miharita kadesu kada meaning is chewing the fish.
Tetapi ada burung yang bisa saja dan juga mencari ikan dengan palu. Bisa mendapatkannya untuk dijual.
Bodhisattva nyati sangasatan yasana ditwa. Bodhisattva. Our bodhisattva is a fish, a kingfish. No, nyati sangha. No, sangha meaning is a group. No, sangha meaning is the what meaning? The group meaning. So now we call the sangha. Sangha is a bhikkhu group. No, this called bhikkhu sangha. Like sangha meaning is a group. So nyati meaning is a relative group. No, relative group. No, then yasana this one bodhisattva having seen there. No, many the relative group are suffering. No, image iman tesan dokha tapetwa man inyo muchito samatona mahati. No, only I can say. Other people cannot say. Buddha understand. Bodhisattva understand. No, therefore he want to do that. The truth. Sitya parami. Sitya. No.
Jadi kerajaan itu seluruh kelompok keluarga itu sudah diberikan. Kemudian Bodhisattva berpikir, hanya saya yang bisa menyelamatkan semuanya, yang lain tidak bisa. Dan akhirnya diujar kebenaran.
So Buddha, no. Secha kriyan katawa dewa wasapetawa nyadaki mana dukkha mochi samiti Kala Vananan Kadama Duvida Vidwa Vidua Nikimitwa. No, Buddha, such kind of wish arise in his mind. No, I shall say, no, to all my relatives. So Buddha coming out under the mud. Buddha also hiding under the mud. Now after making determination, he coming out under the mud. No? Yeah, because he want to see the sky. So before reciting the Sita Kriya, he see the sky.
Lalu muncullah keinginan di dalam diri Bodhisattva dan Raja Ikan tersebut untuk menyelamatkan seluruh sanak saudaranya yang dia setelah bertekad dia masih dalam luntur ini. Kemudian setelah bertekad dia bertanya ke permukaan untuk melihat ke langit sebelum Bodhisattva Raja Ikan itu mengucapkan ucapan kebenaran.
At that time, Bodhisattva fish eye is like the red ruby, very beautiful red ruby like that. Bodhisattva, fish eye like that. So he opened an akasa ulokitwa. He looked into the sky. Yeah, he looked in the sky by the eye. Look in the eye.
Bodhisattva ikan ini mata itu sangat indah seperti batu rubi yang berwarna merah dan ini menangkap Tuhan.
He also called Bo Pajuna, O the Ray Deva. Aha Nyadake Nisaya Dukito. Aha Nyadake Nisaya Dukito. I also suffering. My brother also suffering. No? Don't me sila one day, kilometer, kasama de wana wasabesi. When we are suffering, such kind of the sila wanta, at the time, the fish king, Bodhisattva say, we are sila wanta, we are sila, we have sila. No? We have sila. Our sila wanta person are suffering. Why you are not sick like that? No? They call into the radio. No, we are not suffering. No, our sila wanta person are suffering. Why you are not saving like that? No.
Jadi saat itu Bodhisattva kata, oh Dewa Puja, seluruh semua saudaraku menjadi mati. Ya kami memiliki sila menjalankan memiliki moralitas, kenapa kamu tidak jalankan kami?
So at the time, now Buddha also replied that his quality. He also replied his quality. No? I never killing the living being. No? And from the beginning of my growth, when I understand, no, and that I never torture to any living being. I never kill any living being. No? So Buddha also replied, and he also want to make this Sita Kriya.
Kemudian Sang Buddha menurunkan kualitas sila yang dimilikinya sebagai seorang ikan. Itu sejak lahir dia pertama dulu dan tidak pernah ada sama sekali. Jadi kemudian sila-sila dan moralitas yang lain-lainnya itu direnungkan oleh Bodhisattva.
So therefore, in the Miccharaja Tiriya, you already chant, no? Buddha Brajada Homi Miccharaja Mahase, like that, yeah. Yeah. Okay, Miccharaja. Miccharaja, yeah. We will call the Pali again. Miccharaja.
Jadi dia pujaannya sama ikan dan kita baca.
Buddha Brajada Homi Miccharaja Mahase. One Surya Santa Ben Sri Udaga Kiyatha. You can see the Pali here. Now a little bit bigger. Okay. In the Mahasari meaning is the very big bond. No? Mecharaja is a bodhisattva. No? At the time he living together with many fish together. No? At the time, One Surya Santa Ben. One meaning is a summertime. Sun also very powerful. Therefore, Sari in the Uttaka, water in the lake are finished. No? Tato Kaka Jagi Jaja Kinka Kulala Sinaga at the time, many crow, no, virtue, and eager and hawk also come and they are eating their fish. No, day and night. They not go other place because they have food a lot. They don't go other place. They also stay and they eat every day. And then Bodhisattva, Egon Chete Saha Tata Sanyati Bidido. And then Buddha had thinking, Kena Luko Ubaye Nanyati Duka Pomoche, how I can sit to them, my relative. Which is the Dwadamanta Sitya Adasa Pasaya, thinking that, no, Dhamma. This Dhammata is a Sitya Kriya. No? The Bodhisattva saw this Sitya Kriya may be affect to save my relatives. So Bodhisattva no saw Adasa. No? No? Okay. So
intinya mungkin bisa langsung baca ya. Tapi intinya ketika dia berwisata dalam hutan kering karena itu musim panas ya, sangat kering sehingga danaunya kering. Kemudian burung-burung itu yang memangsa ikan semua datang siang malam, tidak perlu burungnya pergi ke mana lagi mencari makan karena di sana sangat mudah sekali untuk mencari makanan. Kemudian sang Buddha berpikir sekarang dengan cara apa bisa membebaskan kerabatku dari pemerintahan. Jadi kemudian setelah mempertimbangkan dalam di sini maksudnya adalah saca kiri ya. Jadi bicara kebenaran. Jadi dengan dia memiliki kebenaran ini sebagai pendukung.
Siti Tato Apomoji Sinyanti Nanda Ateikaya. Ateikaya meaning is a great disaster. No? So Buddha made to escape from the great disaster. No? So Anusari to Asatandama. Anusari to meaning that like Buddha Anusati. No? He also reflects the Satandama. No? Satandama meaning is the true Dhamma. This true Dhamma meaning is in this case, he never tortured to other beings. He never came to the other living being. This meaning is the certain Dhamma in this case. Now he also reflects now this quality.
Kemudian yang kalian beri itu adalah dengan budaya karena menyingkirkan kebiasaannya dengan dari kata. Jadi ada sejati dan sejati ini maksudnya bahwa Buddha dan Bodhisattva dan yang akan pemilihan tersebut dan orang tersebut tidak akan misalnya dan seterusnya tidak maksudnya sampai sejati ini.
Akasi sejati yanya loki dua sasada. No? So Akasi means that I take sejati. No? Yang loki dua sasada. No? So such kind of sejati is very powerful. No? Loke dua sasata. No, this such kind of true are always powerful and always true like that. No, so how he made the sejati? No, yato salami adana yato pato sami venyudan Navi Janami Sinjija Eka Banami Hisitan Etena Seja Vajena Bejo no Abhivasatu. This is powerful stanza. He made the truth like that. No, the meaning is that Yato Salami Atana Yato Patosami Vinyutan. No, and that time I also carry out my body myself. At the time I also know I can decide at the time. From that time, Navi Janavi, I don't know, I came to other people, other living beings. Eka Panabi. One living being also I never torture like that. No? Etena Seta Vijena, I support this too. May Pujan Datan, which you know Abhivasatu. He made such kind of truth.
Jadi orang itu adalah wisata itu membuat deklarasi kebenaran ya sejak dia yang sangat ini adalah deklarasi kebenaran yang sangat kuat yang akan bertahan abadi di dunia.
Ya, terus selalu.
Lalu apakah deklarasi kebenaran itu jadi sejak berwisata dapat mengingat tentang dirinya sendiri sejak dia memiliki kebijaksanaan dia tidak pernah dengan sadar telah mencintai satu makhluk hidup apapun ini adalah ujian kebenaran yang luar biasa. Jadi dengan cara ini semoga argumen yang diambil dalam dewan menjelaskan ujian.
Okay, now reading all the time. Okay, now you finish. Any question do you want to ask? Any question? We got only 1 hour. Only 1 hour. I give it. Not stop talking. Yeah. Another 1 hour is if you want to ask, you can ask question like. If no question, I will continue. Yeah. Okay. What then? What's the effect? According to the no, this Pali, Pune Surya Santape, because all the sunshine very, very high. Because summer time at the time, summer. Sunshine very powerful, sunshine. Because of the sunshine, the all water are evaporation. Evaporate. No? Evaporate. Really evaporate after that, have to rain again. But not raining. Just evaporate only. Therefore, all water are dry. No? Karma also there are fish karma. Many fish Akusala karma vipaka coming. No? Yeah. Yeah, no machine. No machine. Like that. Really Akusala karma. Really Akusala karma vipaka. For some fish, they are eaten by the crow, eagle like that. No, they are Akusala vipaka. Surely.
Jadi saya mencoba menanyakan kenapa ini terjadi ya sampai bencana kekeringan di dunia begitu ya. Apa penyebabnya ya? Lalu saya menjelaskan bahwa itu karena kondisi cuaca yang sangat panas ya sehingga hal ini menguap. Tapi biasanya kalau pada kondisi normal setelah panas menguap terjadi panas itu panasnya luar biasa. Jadi maksud tentang tidak perlu karena itu terjadi bencana kekeringan dan juga itu adalah karena dulu yang terbuat bagi si ikan dan kura-kura pemerintah yaitu orang sendiri. Karena itulah mereka bisa yang dimakan oleh guru sebelum pemerintah lain. Dan tetapi ini tidak ada penjelasan lanjutan di sana.
So not only the Bodhisattva time, but also the in the Buddha time also happened like that.
Dan juga bukan kamu pada saat zaman ketika bersama terjadi, tapi pada saat zaman sebelumnya itu berjalan beriman.
So many fish are dying, Buddha time also, no? So this meaning is no. Many fish we go before the Akusala Vipaka, no? Anymore the Parisanti mind is no, not Kusala Vipaka mind, Akusala Vipaka mind, no? Ahetuka Vipaka we call Ahetuka, no? Ahetuka Vipaka, no? Before the Akusala Karma, no? At that time, easy to affect by other Akusala Vipaka, no? Because they are animal life. Animal life, for animal life, another Akusala Vipaka coming also very easy.
Dan sebelumnya itu terjadi pada juga orang zamannya dan tapi dan juga itu juga adalah karena persoalan persoalan pada dulu yang terbuat dari masalah dan juga itu sebut ada bagian itu dan buat lain dan hewan yaitu terjadi kesulitan terjadi berbuat perbedaannya maka dia tidak sekali pikiran berbuat langsung pikiran yang tidak baik dan dia tidak melakukan macam apa soal karma juga.
So for your knowledge, no, there are 90 Parisanti Ceta, 19 90 Parisanti Ceta, no, 19.
Pada yang pertama dari saya, tapi kita ini adalah bangkit pada saat orang terakhir ini, jadi pada zaman terakhir ada 19 macam.
So for Wupo place, for Wupo being, for Apaya being, only one Parisanti Ceta or this Akusala Ahetuka Vipaka.
Yang jadi untuk terakhir ini hal dari panjang itu kan begitu satu saja di kita itu adalah aku salah ada juga harus dilakukan.
For human being and for Deva, no, there are 9 Parisanti Ceta. This 9 is one Ahetuka. No, 4 Vihetuka. No. So you can easily be remember 1 Ahetuka and 8 is Sahetuka. Sahetuka means together with the Hetu. No, 1 Ahetuka, 8 Sahetuka.
Jadi untuk manusia dan dewa ada 9 kita dan satu yang adalah yang memiliki akar positif.
So together 1 plus 9, 10 already. No, 10.
Jadi sudah dibahas 10 ya dari 1 yang kita di bawah dan kemudian 9 itu terlalu di manusia dan dewa. Tapi total kita sendiri.
Now another 5 is for Rupa Brahma. Rupa Brahma, no, Rupa Jhana is 5 jhana, right? First jhana, second jhana, third jhana, fourth jhana, fifth jhana. So according to the Abhidhamma, there are 5 jhana. At that time they has 5 jhana Vipaka Parisanti Ceta, for Rupa Brahma. For Arupa Brahma is 4 only, 4 Arupa jhana, right? At the time, for Arupa Parisanti Vipaka. No? So 5 is Rupa Brahma, 4 is Arupa Brahma. No? So 4 Brahma is 9. So 10 plus 9 at the time 19. No?
Dan kemudian 5 Parisanti kita adalah untuk rumah barang itu sebenarnya tahu ya itu jangan juga ini tapi sampai lima dan kemudian untuk alfa itu ada jadi totalnya semua bisa sebenarnya.
Okay, so how many minutes I need to take? 19. Huh? So Asanya Sata being they had no mind. Asanya Sata being only just a body only. Nobody had in mind. Asanya Sata. Asanya Sata is like the banana tree like that. We had no the very sunny mind. No? So Paya Rakapa without consciousness is staying. Asanya Sata. Only Rupa only. Only Rupa only. Asanya Sata. No the consciousness, no mind. Nobody sunny that. So they are very sunny is the Rupa very sunny only. Yeah.
Tetapi ada satu faktor ini dalam rangka yang adalah asumsi ini adalah mampu tanpa bagi jadi dia lagi berubah untuk mampu ini adalah dia tidak memiliki faktor tadi juga ya jadi membuat kelahiran itu tidak ada tapi hanya ada faktor tadi berubah saja.
So when before Asanya Sata he died like lying down at the time, he also reborn like the lying down Pucha. So he died like sitting. He also reborn like the sitting Pucha. Like. What Asanya Sata?
Ya, untuk makhluk yang terlahir tetapi di alam Asanya Sata kita kalau orang kamu dalam posisi yang tidur, jadi akan terlahir di alam Asanya Sata itu posisi tidur itu juga. Kalau itu menjawabnya, maka dia telah bisa mungkin akan tidur saja. Jadi makhluk ini ya, tadi lupa keduanya, tidak ada memiliki batin, ada memiliki materi saja. Jadi kalau menghapus mengatakan hanya makhluk saja, tidak ada batin sama sekali.
The whole idea not moving, not moving. I have a kappa.
Dan tidak pernah bisa bergerak dan tidak bisa apa-apa dia selama mengatakan hanya dia bisa bergerak.
Everybody already reached such time or rebirth, no? We also already rebirth there. We don't know now. We are forget now. Everybody are already reborn there. Everybody. Because samsara very long, right?
Kata saya mungkin semua yang sini kita yang pernah kita ada di sini, tapi karena semasa ini kehidupan dan mungkin kita sudah melakukan dulu pernah kita dulu alam sana.
So our Buddha also said, I never reborn is a five place only. This is a five Sodawasa place. Sodawasa only Anagami and Arahant only stay. So Bodhisattva are always Putujana. Bodhisattva are always Putujana. Last life only Buddha became the enlightened and Arahant, right? So all Bodhisattva like Putujana. So Buddha never reborn. So that was a right place. Therefore Buddha also visit there. No? Purposely Buddha visit. After that 7 Buddha disciples welcome. No, great welcome to the grand welcome to the Buddha. After that 7 Buddha disciples are living there. 7 Buddha, Vipassi, Sikhi, Kapusan, Konagamana, Kassapa, Gautama. 7 Buddha disciples are stay there until now. No? So they are welcome to the Buddha. Buddha visits Sudawasa. Purposely visit.
Satu ya, setelah tenaga satu yang tahan 31 alam, semuanya dari 31 hanya ada 5 yang tak pernah sampai terlahir di sana. Itu adalah 5 adalah Brahma Sudawasa. Ini adalah hanya anak kami dan anak saja dari sana. Karena selama masa kecenderungannya Samudra ini selalu berusaha, kemudian akhirnya langsung menjadi hujan. Jadi karena itu tidak pernah terlahir di alam Sudawasa yang dimain. Karena itulah Samudra akhirnya dengan kekuatan kesaktiannya dia mengunjungi alam Sudawasa itu Sang Buddha sangat disambut dengan baik sekali oleh 7 Buddha lampau yang oleh muridnya 7 Buddha lampau ya sudah menjadi anak dan anak yang juga orang Buddha sangat menyambut sekali kedatangan Sang Buddha.
Therefore, we also know you visit Sudavasa, right? One day we shall visit there.
Kita semua bertanya kalau sudah dewasa, maka mau sana pergi sini.
We are Pupujana, right? So we are never reborn yet there. Surely we are never reborn yet.
Buat Pupujana ya, dulu kita tidak pernah lahir di sana.
So therefore, Parisandi Cheta is a 90 holy. Parisandi Cheta is a 90 holy, but Parisandi is a 20. Sometimes Vidama is asking, how many Parisandi Cheta? And then Parisandi Cheta is a 90. And then another question, how many Parisandi? At the time 20. Because I have to add the Asanya Sata Parisandi.
Jadi tadi kan sudah parisan kita itu ada 19 ya. Tapi kalau ditanya pertanyaannya sebelum kita dia berapa? Coba ada 20 karena 19 tempat kita plus yang tadi pasalnya sama tidak punya parisan kita.
So therefore our living being world is very wonderful. Some living being 5 khanda. Some living being 4 khanda only, Arupa Brahma. They know the Rupa Khanda. They know Rupa. Only the mind only, mentality only. Only 4 Khanda only. No, Sun, Brahma, they are Rupa only. Some are 5, some living being are 5 Khanda, some living being 4 Khanda only. Some living being 1 Khanda only. No?
Jadi sebelum keluar biasa kemudian jadi jenis makhluk yang ada di dunia ya. Ada makhluk yang memiliki 5 harta, kemudian seperti kita di sini 5 harta ya, ada nama ada rupa. Tapi ada juga makhluk yang hanya memiliki 4 harta. 4 harta itu adalah Brahma rupa. Untuk mereka yang memiliki pasti, tetapi mereka tidak memiliki materi. Nah, dan kemudian yang terakhir hanya memiliki 1 harta yaitu rupa harta. Jadi makhluk keseluruhan itu mencuri tapi juga memiliki materi.
Among the 5 khanda, the animal world is the most wonderful world. Animal. You can see the animal under the water, animal on the land. There are many kinds of the animal. No, many color, many shape. No, so Buddha said, animal world is a wonderful world among the 5 khanda.
Di antara memiliki 5 khanda ya, alam binatang yang paling menakutkan ya. Karena banyak sekali jenis-jenisnya yang ada yang tidak di alam, yang tinggal di tanah ya. Warnanya berbeda-beda, berbeda-beda. Nah, yang kata Buddha adalah dunia yang sangat menakutkan dunia hewan.
Some animal can fly in the sky. Some animal can swim in the water. No? Some animals are very big. 100 yojana animal also has in the water. 200 yojana, 300 yojana, 400 yojana, 500 yojana fish also has in the water, in the ocean. No? So 1 yojana is 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer. 1 yojana 10 kilometer at a time. 100 yojana is 1,000 kilometers. Very big animal in the ocean. Yes. Yeah.
Ada hewan yang bisa terbang, yang bisa berenang, dan ada yang besar sekali dia dikatakan bahwa di dasar lautan dan samudera sama ikan besar sekali, sampai yang besar sampai panjangnya itu seperti itu kan ada yang sampai 100 km, bahkan yang besarnya sampai 100 km.
Therefore, some the fish they can swallow the whole ship also. They can swallow the whole boat. Yeah.
Ikan besar itu juga bisa
Therefore, ocean are beautiful and ocean are very dangerous. And ocean also helping a lot our welfare. Because the ocean water are evaporate as a gas, and this gas become very again like that. Okay, this is your knowledge. Okay, and this question. Yeah, any question you can ask. Do not worry. And okay. Yeah, follow the Buddha lying down like that. Follow that. And Buddha lying down is a not healthy posture. So Buddha say there are 3 kinds of the sleeping, lying down. One is like that. Like that. Very relaxed. One is the right side. One is the left side. So left side lying down is a Kama Bhogi. Kama Bhogi meaning he enjoys the sexual pleasure. Because left is a wife. So always the one who sleep the left side is a Kama Bhogi, who enjoy the sexual pleasure. Okay. The one who sleep like that. This is like Peta sleeping. Peta cannot sleep the right side and left side because they handle the flesh. If they die, they are very pale. So they have to sleep like that. They have a skeleton only. They have bone only. So they have to sleep like that. So this is Peta Sayana. Sleep like that. So right side is the Buddha Sigasayana. Okay.
Ada 3 macam postur tidur yang berbahan belakang dan sebelah kanan dan sebelah kiri ya. Dan pasang udara selalu di sebelah kanannya. Lalu dijelaskan bahwa kalau dalam sebelah kiri itu
Kama Bhogi.
Ini adalah orang yang menikmati fenomena duniawi. Sekarang sebelah kiri istrinya di sebelah kiri ini adalah posisi tidur yang menikmati dunia. Lalu kalau posisi yang berbanding lurus itu adalah posisi tidurnya atau ketat. Mereka hanya bisa tidur di posisi mereka tidak bisa bertahan karena mereka kalau berbanding ketat itu sakit badan. Karena itu mereka selalu tidurnya bertahan. Karena itulah sang Buddha selalu tidurnya di posisi kanan.
The one who sleep the Vipassana easily can sound coming very easy. Oh.
Maka itu lebih mudah untuk menolak ya, lebih keras ketimbang penyamping.
So the one who want to sleep with the mindfully, so peacefully the right side, like Buddha said. Let also a little bit knee little bit bend. Legs are not that equal. Right? No? 2 legs should not be even. One leg a little bit short, one leg a little bit long. A little bit bend the knee. Yeah, comfortably sleep. Any time you can sleep comfortably. No need to even. No need to even two legs like that. Little bit one leg, little bit. Another leg is short, another leg is long. show together. No, not together. Not together. Together is a difficult. No. Shall not be together. Buddha's sleep is not even.
Jadi mungkin ditanya postur tidurnya sama budaya gimana posisi posturnya mereka dulu bagaimana. Jadi saya itu kakinya itu bukan lurus ini, tapi satu kali tekuk. Ya, karena kalau yakin kan konsep satu ada tertarik, jadi tidak lurus ini.
I will show the Buddha sleeping posture. Because in the PMC they are doing the one looking Buddha.
Sama saya dari posisi tidurnya sama saja.
One the looking Buddha. Okay. Looking Buddha picture. So here no looking Buddha, no? Here no looking Buddha. Buddha sleep position. Okay, sorry, not yet. Okay, later I will show the Buddha sleep. Okay, any question? Later I will show. And is oh yeah, seeing they are looking in Buddha, there are two kinds only. One is an event. One is a little bit one is a short, one is a long. But they say even is a Buddha already pre-Nibbana time. It two event, this meaning this pre-Nibbana time like that. If not even this Buddha not yet pre-Nibbana. They have this different like that. There are two kinds of looking Buddha already in Sri Lanka.
Jadi bisa dilakukan itu Buddha rupa dalam posisi tidur itu ada dua macam. Yang satu adalah ada kakinya sama macam, dan satu kakinya tidak sama macam. Bedanya adalah kalau kaki orang dan dikatakan ini adalah posisi berbalik satu dan ketika paling ibarat. Jadi Buddha paling ibarat akan mengatakan itu kakinya semacamnya. Dan kalau kita ada pendek, itu adalah posisi yang lainnya. Buddha paling ibarat masalah berbalik. Yes.
But Nyama is a many posture looking Buddha. Sometimes Buddha also the supporting the hand by the head, like that. At the time, this meaning is Buddha no sleep. Buddha giving the motto at the time. Yeah. So the hand is supporting the head at the time. So head is not the sleeping condition. Talking position. Lying down, yeah. Lying down and support by the hand to the head. And the head is a little bit high. And then the Buddha giving the motto like.
Ini adalah posisi bukan tidur, tetapi saat itu sedang berbaring sambil memberikan drama kepada polisi yang sedang itu hadiah.
Mm. Yeah. Send to me. Send to me. Mm. Mm. So recurring Buddha is a many design, many culture in the mind. No? So maybe Bodhidharma not yet. I not yet see it here. Okay. Yeah. Sri Lanka sign. Yeah. Sri Lanka. They are event, right? They are event, right? No? Mhm. Event, right? The two are event, right? They say this Pranibana time. Buddha never woke up. He will be directly to the Pranibana, this meaning. Yeah.
Dalam itu ada posisi kamu dalam doa kita begini orang semua kita
Who is a Sunni? Sunni made a push, right? Sunni made a push. Huh? Mm. Mm. Yeah, Buddha looking to Sunni, right? Yeah. Living guy. But Myanmar never do like an event. But very rare Myanmar. Little bit they are. Little bit. Yeah. But some recording Buddha only they made an event. So this meaning is some people like the Pranibana time. Really Pranibana, real Pranibana, Buddha hand is not like that. You can see the Kusinaga, Buddha hand little bit there, see the sky element. And then yeah, little bit straight forward. So this see to the other side, right? Pranibana time is the Buddha face little bit there, a little bit turn into the see the sky maybe. Mm. So this is not yet Pranibana. So Buddha eye was open, right? So not yet Pranibana. So look into the Sunni. Now what my daughter is a question nearby me. This year or last year?
kita menjadi
Hmm.
maybe 2 years ago.
So this Aluha cave. Aluha cave. Many Sangha they recite the Tipitaka. Buddha, they made the Sangayana. The full Sangayana made in this cave. Aluha cave, we call Aluha cave. In the Sri Lanka, that near the candy, there is one the rock. Where the rock inside the rock, they made the cave. Like there's a no Dambula, not Dambula. No Dambula is there are Dambula is there are 5 caves. No, not Dambula. This is not. I think Dambula. This is Dambula. Hmm. Or maybe this is Dambula, yes. Dambula cave near the candy. Near the candy, right? Hmm. So Dambula there are 5 caves. Number 1 cave very small. Very small. Recording Buddha very small. So this cave a little bit bigger. Number 3 cave I need this. Number 3 cave. Hmm. 2023, 2 years ago. Like the Aloha cake also like that. Aloha. Only one cake only. Aloha cake is a 2 cake only. This is a 1 cake only. Okay. Aloha. Because I saw the many Buddha here. Many Buddha. At this side also, there are many space here. So this Vajrayana Buddha is the last one here, near the wall. Maybe Aloha cake, I think. 4 Sandayana made, and they are start the writing in the pan leaf. The Tipitaka, they start the writing in the pan leaf. Right? So before never record on the paper. To start in this place, Tipitaka, they start the writing on the pan leaf. This place. Understand?
Yeah. So I don't.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, so bagaimana ini di dalam buah dekat candy. Ini
Dia candy, ya.
ini
Dia candy. Silenga.
yang disediakan.
So candy is a 2 release famous. Gigi. 2 release is like in the candy. But this cake are near the candy. Not so far.
Jadi ada kalau di candy itu yang pertama adalah dari giginya sama dan ada di candy. Tapi ini adalah buah di dekat candy.
So Silenga in the ancient time, no, many arahants stay there. Many arahants. So Buddha Sasana reached to the Silenga 236 years after Buddha Prinivana. 236.
236
years after Buddha Prinivana reached to the Silenga.
Mungkin di Sri Lanka itu banyak ya pelatih kecil anak jadi sekitar 236 tahun setelah Buddha Prinivana ajaran Buddha sampai ke Sri Lanka.
So 236 years after Buddha Prinivana, at the time they are already done the Bhak Sangayana, supported by King Dhammasoka. After that, sending the missionary, Bhikkhu group to the Silenga also. One group reached to the Suvarnabhumi. Suvarnabhumi is including the Sumatra also included. Now all Southeast Asia are called Suvarnabhumi. One group go to the Silenga. One group come to the Suvarnabhumi.
After Sangayana.
Sangayana.
Jadi setelah posisi Sangayana ketiga ya, itu diutus kelompok Sangayana untuk satu kelompok pergi ke Suvarnabhumi, satu lagi ke Sri Lanka. One group go to Sri Lanka or just one?
One group go to Sri Lanka.
One group.
Another group come to the Suvarnabhumi. Suvarnabhumi group that led by the leader is the Sona and Uttara. Wherever Sona and wherever Uttara. They are leaders. The Suvarnabhumi group. So in the Sri Lanka group leader is Mahida. Wherever Mahida and Sangamita. Bhikkhuni Sangamita also.
Kelompok yang ke Suvarnabhumi ini diketuai oleh Bante Sona dan Suvarnabhumi itu termasuk Indonesia dan Thailand juga termasuk. Kemudian yang grup kedua itu ke Sri Lanka itu diketuai oleh Bante Mahinda.
Another 7 group also King Dhammasoka sent, but another 7 group are not so famous. This 2 group only famous. Altogether 9 groups.
Total ada 9 kelompok yang dikirim dari Dasoka yang kita Dasoka. King Asoka itu.
King Asoka sent 9 machinery glue. Nine.
Yang berdiri sembilan kelompok ya, tetapi ayat 2 ini berkenaan dengan 7 lainnya ya.
Therefore, nowadays in the Afghanistan, Pakistan, also many Buddha statues you can see because they are machinery glue. They wish there.
Dan juga ada kelompok Afghanistan dan Pakistan itu ya sekarang itu sudah bukan lagi sudah munculkan.
So Sona and Udara also very famous for the Sumana Bhumi. Therefore, in the Sumatra, Buddha Sasana are very bright at the time. Therefore, the Srividya time, very famous in the Sumatra.
Dan Sona dan Udara itu sangat berhasil yang untuk pembentukan diamanya. Pada zaman dahulu dan di Indonesia sangat berkembang sekali budaya pada saat zaman kerajaan Sriwijaya.
So in Sri Lanka is by the effort of the Mareva Mahida and Sangha power, many Arhats also elected. Many Arhats flying in the sky, Therefore, sunshine are not strong because the many Arhats flying in the sky. Some people want to dry the paddy, under the sun, because the many Arhats fly, so paddy also not dry, because the many Arhats flying in the sky like that. So they say like that. So how many Arhats cannot be counted?
Dikatakan ini pada saat zaman Sri Lanka zaman dahulu ya setelah kemudian ada kabar bahwa sangat banyak sekali munculkan Arhat yang semua berada panggilan dan saking banyak yang berpanggilan langit itu tidak begitu terang ya karena banyak sekali Arhat yang berpanggilan tetapi mau menjemur paginya supaya prediksi tidak bisa kering terlalu banyak Arhat yang berpanggilan jadi tidak dapat dan berpanggilan bayangkan seberapa banyak Arhat yang bisa.
And also every village has a dining hall for the bhikkhu. So seeing a bhikkhu after Pitapata, they not go back monastery. They eat in the dining hall in the village and they meditate. So every Sikh has everybody, not everyone already has attained Arhatship, they say. Cannot say, oh, this Sikh are not yet attaining Arhatship. Such kind of place cannot find all that. So many dining hall have many people sit there, right? They also meditate after eating time. Therefore, they also attain the Arhatship. Because eating time, energy is very powerful. Because the food is supported to the body, right? At that time, mind also very stable. At that time, many people attain Arhatship in the dining hall. Yeah, body nada dining hall here.
Istilah itu setelah datang itu setelah mempertimbangkan itu tidak kembali ke buktinya tidak kembali ke tetapi mereka tinggal di daerah seperti desa tersebut ada tempat makan untuk ya jadi setelah makan di desa tersebut ya itu bermeditasi dan dikatakan yang sama itu yang setelah makan siang lalu meditasi itu banyak sekali yang mencatatkan habis.
Some villagers, they want to offer food to the people. They also waiting in the dining hall. Like that. So easily can offer.
Mungkin di zaman itu juga ya, orang-orang mau memberikan makan kepada orang itu sudah sebagian mereka bisa menunggu di dining hall, menunggu di kumia dan memberi makan kepada mereka.
Yeah. Some villagers, they want to do the volunteer work. We are waiting. We are waiting. At that time, they also waiting and every day they sweeping the dining hall. They are prepare the water. They prepare the seat like that. Every day they have long kusala.
Dan saat itu kemudian orang sekarang itu banyak bantuan yang baik sekali yang mereka membersihkan makan itu yang menyediakan air dan segala macam yang itu yang jadi mereka sekali melakukan kebersihan.
Banyak relawan. Many volunteer. many volunteers in the village. Every day they can serve to the bhikkhu. What opportunity?
Jadi di sana banyak sekali yang menjadi relawan untuk membantu mendukung juga para bhikkhu.
Yeah. So at that time, India has no sasana at the time. No bhikkhu can stay there because at the time the king is a Michadiki king. Therefore, many bhikkhu are left from India. They come to the Srinagar at the time. If they stay, king also killed the bhikkhu at the time. So very bad king at the time. So all bhikkhu are go out like that. The king also very important. The king is important. The king is a bad king. The bhikkhu cannot stay there in the country.
Pada masa yang sama, saat sebelum berjaya berdasarkan paling di India itu sedang dipimpin oleh raja yang memiliki pandangan sama. Jadi para ibu itu tidak bisa tinggal di jalan. Jadi mereka semua banyak pergi ke Sri Lanka. Dan bahkan kalau ibu-ibu tersebut tinggal di India, mereka akan dibunuh oleh raja. Itulah pemimpin sesuatu negara itu sangat mempengaruhinya, sangat penting sekali posisinya.
So therefore, every day we also share money to our king also, Indonesia king also.
Penumpahkan jasa kepada pemimpin negara, termasuk pemimpin negara kita.
So therefore, in Tamasari, in the Buddha Puja, I call the Amakarinyo, our king. Every day I share money to our king. No, because the king, we can stay there in Indonesia, right? Yeah. Today I go the immigration to extend my stay permit. So we need a good king. Okay, share merit now. Okay. Sama-sama. Eta uda san ya san dan san Sukida yang Ida Sukida yang Ida Sukida yang Dev Usa Sam yang Ida Sa